Welcome back to Manu's World. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe our channel and press that notification bell for more interesting videos. So today in this video, let's see 5 simple and easy lines on Republic Day. The first point is Republic Day is observed as the national festival of India. Point number 2, every year 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. Point number 3, Republic Day is celebrated because our constitution comes to force on this day. Point number 4, on 26th January 1950, our constitution came into force. Point number 5, every Indian celebrates Republic Day with full of joy. So these are the 5 simple and easy lines on Republic Day. I hope you like this video and like the lines. So please do hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Bye.